Hello, happy Friday. Today we are going to learn Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. I'm not going to teach you how to play the piano, plenty of videos out there to do that. This is how I play it. These are the notes that I use when I play it in a band. I'll just give you a quick run through and just shorten the verse and the chorus. This should be a really quick video actually. So it goes something like this. That's all there is to the verse and the chorus. The one thing to learn is this D riff. So that's A, D, F sharp, going to B, D, G. So you're going between a D and a G. It's the only sort of embellishment that you can stick in here really. You should be able to play it all with your right hand if you alternate your thumb going down to get the rhythm in the first place. Don't forget on the A7 you're playing a G with the thumb and then just a normal G position. Into the chorus, I tend to put the G at the top when I do this. You can play the E if you want to get the melody in. So that's just with the one hand, put them together. I only do an octave with the D actually when I play that. And the other notes are just single A and a G. And then chorus again. That's all there is to it, the way I play it. Hope you found that useful. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. Happy, fun Friday. Catch you next time. Bye for now.